So when a person love you and you treat them bad, bad blessing will take your heart in. You see when a person loyal to you and you disloyal to them, karma and curse take your heart in. Some of you treat people but good out the street more than you treat the people you want to live with. The people you want to treat you no good at them you treat bad enough. And some people now have no love and respect for you and them you treat good enough. But here you know, God no like ugly. God no like ugly. Because I want to know how can somebody did it for your enemy necessary when you need help them support you. See? When you want to do something with them did it for you. When you have a problem with them did it for you. See? And when them need your help you never did it. When them need for your help you never did it, a rascal. But here you know, karma is a hell of a something you know. When you treat people bad, we treat you good. When you don't feel like say it all just work out so and you just live happy forever. Bad bless you and karma take you. You find everything you just start last things you just fade out until you get sick or till something bad wrong with you. Curse. How can somebody show you love and did it for you? And you disloyal to them and not treat them bad and fake with them? Eh? Some want to use people for your things. You can't do that. Don't play with people out and people emotionals. Good woman out there, good man out there. And sometimes corruption liberty cause that.